In front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a microphone at the top right corner. If you never used it before, hit while using the app in this pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. In case you can't see your microphone icon, click on this gear one instead. Select voice typing over here and activate it thanks to this switcher next to use voice typing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!